sensor with WD-40, so it can be a lot better. Take it off.
Yeah. Oh.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Well, it's hot, so it's gonna expand too, so. Fuck it, I'm just gonna take it off. I fucking hate wearing gloves, but I really don't want to have a shit ton of burn marks. Oh fuck.
The O2 sensor's not coming out?
Huh?
It's
What?
not coming out, the O2?
Off from here?
Yeah.
It's just twisting the shit out of those wires.
Or it's just twisted off?
Yeah, I don't. Oh, there we go.
Why are you pissed?
Because that lady never answered me about the fucking Girl Scout cookies I want.
That cracks me up.
12.
Well, I need the 10 for the for those. Yeah, that ain't gonna fit. I'm gonna do it manual. They got it. Hey, the 10 hit the ground. That's all that counts.
I think you can take it off from there because I don't think it's a nut. I think it's just like a fucking. I think it's just
Yeah,
a bracket, not a fucking nut.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
And if it's a nut, you'd rather have taken it off from then let's just rest as a bitch.
I know.
Unbolt it on there and just take the headers all the way out. Is there bolts here, like up here? This 1, 2, 3, and then in the bottom.
But it's the whole it's a whole shield, though. So it's like.
I think it's you just have to take 1, 2, just the
I
top.
just gotta take this very top
Yeah,
piece
just
off.
the top
I just got to
one.
get this bolt and that bolt.
Yeah, that bolt is just fucked.
Ooh, that was that got me. Look at that.
What you touch?
Fucking exhaust.
There you go.
That one did it.
That one did it.
That fucking look at that. It's already like turned. Oh, that one. Yeah, that one gonna hurt the fucking. Can you give me the rubber, that mallet? There's no room. There's like no room to do it. Might as well get to what we can.
I think what we should do is take this bolt here and then take this too and then just fucking bend it back. And then we can try from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's just holding in 1, 2, 3, 4 and then just bend it back. God damn.
Honda was like, fuck you. I appreciate you fucking staying up and shit. I don't know what your schedule is like, man.
Mine?
Yeah.
Sleep all day?
I have noticed that.
Yeah. You can take that shit off by hand now.
I learned my lesson. I'm gonna put those gloves on first. Is that right glove?
Yeah, they're all the same thing. You can just mine. Got it? See, now, I think you, yep, just bend it back.
Yeah.
And then just fucking take the headers off and then unbolt it from the bottom and then just take it all out as like one piece.
Don't try this at home. Go to your friend's house.
True. See, just leave it like that and just take the headers off. You know what I'm saying?
If the bolt is moving, like I see the bolt moving. Come look. Like the bolt is moving itself. See?
Oh, yep, I see it.
Oh, my bad.
So good.
True rust when you're obviously, driving it.
Yep, there it is. It's coming off. Hey, that's all.
True. First step. I don't know
Trash.
what this is gonna work right here. How we're gonna.
What? That doesn't have.
Oh, I have the other two bolts right here. Okay. I'm not too worried now. I totally forgot I had these.
Yeah.
All
Okay. Cool. Look at that beautiful piece.
Your boy was tripping.
Ooh.
So next thing
It'll be.
is to lay under the car. Get an impact on that. That looks like a 12. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be a 12. Oh my bad. And
Probably just unbolt it from the fucking.
I'm not gonna do it right here because I'm gonna do it from there so it bolts out so this whole header gets pulled out.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a 15.
It's a 50.
Yep. Let's see what your impact's made of. Doesn't look good.
There we go. That's what the impact is made of.
all I gotta do is talk shit about it.
Yep.
Oh, actually, it's a fucking. It's not a. Yeah, I can just.
There you go.
Hell yes, that is the first step, my friend.
Yep. That's out.
Nice. See, look, there's that grommet right there. Okay.
But
That and the O2, the sensor wrench, is more what I was more or less talking about. Okay. Broke loose.
got it.
Yeah. Fucking hit one of those corners. Okay.
All two sensors out.
Yep.
Now just take headers out.
That's this one right here.
Yeah. That's like a bracket where like the O2 sensor, like you can take that off. Actually, just squeeze it back.
I have. Ah, burnt myself again. You
Got it?
Yeah.
Cool.
It takes like a little moisture out of my skin. Alright, we're good. Now,
Gucci. Now just take the headers off, right?
take the header out.
What size are those?
12.
12. Damn.
Okay.
You can use a fucking.
No, I got it.
I'm talking about half inch to get more fucking leverage. You know?
Okay. Now the fun one.
There you go.
Not bad, not bad.
Okay, so.
Now this one.
Got it?
Yeah. Woo! Fuck, that hurt. Look at that. Yes.
Cool.
Bump.
3.
Get some motherfucking cheese.
Cheez-Its.
You ever had these cheeses?
No.
Try them. They're pretty. They're okay.
Down.
Not bad.
She's good. Coming off. There you go. Alright, son.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah.
Is it a bracket?
Yep. It's a. What is that? That's a 15. What is that right there?
It's a 15.
Yeah, I got it. No, that's a fucking.
14.
Yeah.
It's coming off. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's nasty.
With the old and with the new.
Yup.
Yes, sir. I gotta take what, the mid pipe and the muffler.
I gotta do.
I think you should put the O2 sensors in now before, you know.
Yeah.
That's the downstream
This is
though.
the down. Yeah, there's one right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
So I don't get confused.
How thick is the piping?
6.25. Alright, there's that one. Look at that surface, dog.
I think you should take a rag and clean it off.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. This is why my wife's like, why you gotta buy so many fucking tools? Like, cause you never know when you need them.
Exact, and this is one of those times, big dog.
This is one of the times why I bought a wire brush wheel.
Yep. Alright, cool. Ready to do
This
this?
is clean.
Here.
I got it. Okay. You might need to use a screwdriver, flathead.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, there's that one.
This
Oh, hold it easy, easy. This one's like.
There's another one up there.
This one's like. I feel like it's broken. The top.
There you go. There you go.
That's loud as shit. Alright, motherfucker.
That one's coming off? That one came off?
Yeah. Like, what the fuck? Hopefully it's like, hey, dude, this motherfucker ain't fucking around. Come on. Shit.
Put some double D4, you want it?
Yeah, I might as well, to be honest.
You did that.
No, I didn't. Just glue it again. Super glue. Use super glue.
Oh, my eyes must be popping.
Yeah. There you go.
Might as well do them now before they're
Yeah, that's what
on the car.
Yep.
I'm gonna open the garage so it's getting a little fucking toasty up in here. One second, I'll be back.
No, just an off juice.
That's good.
This is called Marine Committed. There's a girl in here who sent her husband a Dear John divorce text while he's at IBT.
ITV?
ITV, yeah. And has been cheating on him with an ex-Marine. Her name is, and she tagged her.
Oh, God.
She tagged her. Oh, I love
Hold that there, bro.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. After 20 years, we finally got him in.
Yeah, fuck you. Here you go. Right here.
What is it?
There's one.
Okay, cool.
1 second. And the other. Where's that motherfucker at? I don't know where it's at.
Go ahead. Get it more. You can go more. But that's fine because
Well,
you have to,
you have
to do that side too.
Well, it's still spinning because like.
No, it's not spinning at all. It's just still.
No. I see the bit moving, but oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, the nut is it stays. The nut is still. So you good. You good. Keep going.
Oh, don't do this to me, baby. No, you're good. No, don't do it. You're good. Shit. Is it good? Is it still spinning?
No. make sure your exhaust is not leaking when you fucking put it together. Turn it on and make sure it's not leaking any exhaust, because then you'll be fucked up and you'll be running like shit.
Yes.
Yep. But that's it for today, right?
Yeah, more. There's more later, don't worry.
Yeah, it's more later going on. Tomorrow, clean up the garage and be outie. Peace.